Welcome crafters! I am excited to show you our Make a Splash kits for this month. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and today we are going to dive into some fabulous projects. These projects are created with our kits. So in the kit, you get all the Graphic 45 supplies that you need to create these, along with a project sheet with step-by-step directions, and we give you a video tutorial to make it easy to follow along and create these. Of course, you can become a subscriber, or you get these sent to you every month in the mail, or you can just pick them up a la carte. So just head on over to our website, g45papers.com, or down to your Graphic 45 retailer and pick up the supplies. So to jump right into our album kit, our volume 6 for this month, make a splash with us with our volume 6 album kit this month. You can see we've got a lot of great dimension on the front cover of our folio, and then we open it up to reveal some gorgeous elements. So we have our pocket page here with a great photo mat. This has been done with our pre-made Trifold Folio Album, making it just a cinch to decorate and then add in these little extra photo mats and pockets like here. Got this big photo mat and this full page pocket. Another one here. But aren't these going to be so great for your beach photos, maybe a mermaid party, your summer vacation? Let us know in the comments below how you're going to be using your album. And you can find the tutorial for this on our YouTube channel and down in this description below. You can see Maria has added so many fun elements. We've cut up some of these waterfall pages, adding some more interest. We've added some pockets here so you can add extra memorabilia and photos. Just so delightful. This folio has been created for us this month by Maria Cole. If you know her work, you know it's always sophisticated, elegant, but also easy to complete. So it makes creating the projects a cinch, and you end up with gorgeous results. The Volume 6 album kit includes our 12 by 12 Make a Splash collection pack that now has a full-size 12 by 12 sticker sheet added to it, which we are so excited to have all these gorgeous stickers to work with again. And then you're gonna get 2 of each of these 8 double-sided sheets. So much to work with and so many gorgeous images. You'll also get a Graphic 45 Ziploc bag, a step-by-step project sheet, the Graphic 45 Rose Bouquet, and our French Lilac and Purple Royalty. And my favorite part of this kit, the Trifold Waterfall Folio Album in Ivory. You can see it's already created for you. You just open it up. Magnets are already there. You've got your pocket, great space for a photo here, another full pocket page, and some pre-made waterfalls. And subscribers will get these gorgeous Make a Splash buttons. Again, to pick up those kits, go to our website, g45papers.com, and pick it up either a la carte or become a subscriber, or down to your local G45 retailer. Now on over to our card kit, volume 6. We're going to be creating these 3-dimensional Make a Splash cards. So you can see we've got a fun little dimensional frame on the front, and then open that up and there's some more delightful whimsy on the inside, including this great little inking technique here. So these are the 3 cards that I'm going to teach you how to create in the tutorial. You'll find that description, or that link in the description below. And then, of course, with your leftovers, you'll be able to make 3 more for a total of 6 cards. And I'll walk you through what you're going to need to create these cuties as well. These cards have been created for us by Carla Vera, and Carla teaches us so many great techniques. The Volume 6 card kit includes our lovely lilac hybrid ink pad. The subscribers are also going to get these Make a Splash buttons. Those are nice collector's editions. Our brand new Ivory A2 card sets. These come with without any score lines, so when we're scoring these up, you can be as creative as you'd like, and you really get to make your own card base. You're also going to get the Make a Splash ephemera assortments. You get 42 die cut pieces in there that are double-sided. Our 8x8 Make a Splash paper pack. You get 24 double-sided sheets in here. You get 3 of each. And look at all those vibrant colors and fun images. And then, of course, the project sheet with step-by-step directions and a graphic 45 bag to store it all in. Again, to pick up these kits, you know it by now. Go to our website, g45papers.com, or down to your local G45 retailer. Now, just to give you a little more information about our subscriber program. So our subscribers, of course, get the kits sent directly to them in the mail every month. You can pick from our album kit, our card kit, or subscribe to both. And each month we're going to teach you new techniques and new ways to maximize your Graphic 45 products and really dive into the world of paper crafting. You're also going to get 10% off of your future Graphic 45 purchases on our website, and you get exclusive monthly buttons with your kit. So every month the buttons match our paper collection and are going to be a fun little collector's item. Of course, if you want to become a subscriber to our YouTube channel, you can do that as well. Just hit the subscriber button and that little notification bell so you know every time we upload new inspiration like this. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.